In this video, I will be showing you Canva Halloween fonts. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking the Custom Size button and selecting a standard letter size document. Once the editor loads, I'll navigate to the Text tab on the left sidebar and click to add a text box. I'll type the word Moonlight, then open the Font Selection menu, search for Moon, and choose the Moonlight font. Now I'll duplicate that text box and change the text to finger paint. I'll search for finger in the font bar and select the match from the results. For the next one, I'll change the text to True Typewriter, search for True in the font menu, and apply it to the text box. Next, I'll add Charchand and Blood Drip, search for it in the menu, and click to update the style. Then I'll type ITC Blackadder, search for the font name, and select it from the list. Moving right along, I'll change the text to Celandine, search for it, and apply it. For a more rugged look, I'll type out Inlander Outliner Texture, find it in the search results, and click to apply the font. Now I'll add Isabella, search for the name, and update the text box. Up next is Parada 1, so I'll search for the font and select it. Then I'll add Max Somson, search for it in the bar, and apply it to the text. I'll also include Lava Pro Grunge by searching for Lava and picking the matching font. To get that classic horror feel, I'll type Schlop, search for it, and select the font. Next, I'll add Chapbook, search for the name, and apply the style. Finally, I'll type Jeepers, search for it, and click the font to finish my list. Now that I have all these spooky fonts on the page, I'll spend a little time clicking and dragging each text box to rearrange them into a nice organized layout. To finish the design, I'll add one last text box at the very top and title it Halloween Canva Fonts. And that's how I find and use the best Halloween fonts in Canva for a spooky design.